quick, let me show y'all. Something happened. I want to go save this file. It says exceeds data limit, too many stitches, can be saved to card and won't work on your machine. It says to Anna Elsa, and it's 43,000 stitches. I never had this problem before, but this is what I did to go around it. I'm using PE Design 10, but anyway, I downloaded a bunch of files from Etsy. But anyway, I right click and divide stitches by color, right? And I just have to do it in 2 parts, right? So let's say I want to take out the black. Tap on the black, press delete, and we'll see if it saves like that, if it give me that problem. See if we can save it. Boom, perfect, no problem. See, so now it's back. It's at 25,000. So delete the black, and then do it in 2 sessions. Stitch this out first, and then Control Z, go back. And then what I would do next is delete all these other colors and then do the black second. So let me show you what that looked like. All right, here we go. So here's the design. So you can see I just deleted the colors in the face, the dress. I just did a black outline and then did some colors on the hair, lips, and eyes, and deleted everything else. See? So I just deleted boom, 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 boom. Because I was just being too lazy and I didn't want to keep color changing and wait here 2 hours for this design to finish, because this thing took 71 minutes. Okay, that's a long time. 4x4 hoop. But anyway, that's how I got around exceeding the stitches. Just delete the colors and just do it in 2 sets. So if that happens to you, I don't know why this happened, but I'm guessing there's a stitch limit. But anyway, not a big deal. So next time this happens, I'll just delete the black, do everything else, and then load up the black and load the rest, keep it finished. But here's the finished product, and it looks good. Came out beautiful. I just gotta wash away the wash away stabilizer on top. I didn't do that either. Right? And this embroidery is tight, man. Embroidery is fun. Right? That's perfect. Anyway, so that's how we got around it.